Hey YouTube, this is Vince again with another video. Been a while since I've done a video on Friend Connector, which is one of the marketing tools that I use to get a lot of friends on Facebook and get a lot of eyes on my products and services and software. So I've already got it logged into Facebook, as you can see, and what I'm looking at here is one of the real estate groups that I'm in, and I'm on the members page. And with this plugin that I've got called Friend Connector, which I sell, we've got a tool that will easily automate, find your ideal person, customer, avatar, whatever you want to call them, and it'll make it easy for you to be able to send out a message and a friend request. So what I've had success with in other groups is, especially with the real estate community, is that I'm sending out a friend request along with a message. So even if they don't accept my friend request and become a fan of my pages or what have you, they're still seeing my message. So what I'm doing is I'm promoting a product, and I'm giving away a free template for realtors to use to get clients and to get them set up with a free website and a free template that'll get them going without very much work. So in this case, what I've done is I've gone to the real estate group. I've opened up the Friend Connector Chrome extension, and I'm going to set it for every 10 minutes to basically send out a friend request so that I don't get blocked by Facebook or they don't see that I'm spamming a bunch of people. And I've gone in here and I've looked and seen there's 4 moderators. So I just started this search. I can put it at 6, for example. That way I'm generally, I'm kind of aware that maybe the moderators might not want me to be sending it, but it is what it is. And this is a marketing tool and you can use it however you want. So what I'm looking for is keywords that tell me what kind of person am I looking for? So it might be realtor, it might be CEO or something like that. And so if it finds that a person has a keyword in their profile that says CEO, it's going to add them to the list, and it's going to be sending them the message and friend request that I have. And so message groups, I've already created the realtors to free templates. So basically this is the template with the link that I was going to send. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put run. And what that's going to do, you can see in the corner, started running, and it's going to go down this list and send people a message and a friend request with the template that I created. So this is just for demonstration purposes, so I'm going to go and click stop for now and just go and quickly show you how that's configured. So in the settings, we've got segments and groups. So groups are the realtors that I've got, and so it's just this one group here, and then we'll go back, and then segments, again, this would be all the different message templates. So I'm basically directing them to go to GrooveFunnels, which is a free website builder, and go to my template. So this is more of just outreach to get them to work with me or get some interest into the free software. And then if they are also interested in marketing, I show them not only Friend Connector, but Genius Messenger, which helps me organize my clients and contacts in Facebook. The way that once I have all these people organized on my friends list, or they've accepted it, I'll go into Genius Messenger, Genius Messenger CRM, which allows me to label all of the contacts that I have. I can break them up into different colors or that sort of thing, and then groups, and I can also send, say, a broadcast to everybody that's in that label. So if I had partners and I wanted to send a message to all my software partners, I could do that from here. And then the last one that I use a lot are the templates. So I can basically reply to people's messages just by right-clicking on a template that I've created for them. So it makes it a lot easier if I'm doing a lot of outreach with Facebook Messenger, and that way I don't have to retype a bunch of things or have a bunch of different files. It's all within that extension. So anyway, back to Friend Connector. Again, now once I've sent out a bunch, you don't want to have a lot of pending friend requests. Facebook looks at it and says, hey, you've got a bunch of things pending. Maybe you're a spammer sending out a ton of friend requests all at once. So what you want to make sure you do every once in a while is come back in here through the tool. Once that loads, it's just checking for all of your outgoing friend requests, as you can see in the URL bar at the top. So if you have any questions, let me know. Of course, I am selling the product. It's a great way to automate your outreach. You can have either yourself or have your VAs create messages, segments, templates, and just really free up a lot of your time to be able to do other things rather than just monitor. So if you have any questions, let me know.